Hi, today I'm going to go over equations and inequalities. This is evaluating and simplifying algebraic expressions. This is the second unit in chapter 1. So first, let's go over some definitions. The power is repeated multiplication of the same factor. So, for example, if we have 3, I don't know why I did that. Okay, 3 to the 4th power, the 4 or the exponent is called the 4 or is the exponent, sorry. And then the 3 is the base. So this just means we're going to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So I'll multiply 3 by itself 4 times. Okay, a variable is a letter used to represent one or more numbers. So I'm sure you've seen this, but if you have like x plus 5, the x is the variable. Next we have terms. So this is the parts of an expression that are added together. So if we have x squared plus 2x minus 3, each of these, so x squared, 2x, and negative 3, those are all terms. And the coefficient is a number when a number and variable are multiplied. So if we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 4, the 3 and the negative 5 are the coefficients. Oh, oops. Coefficient. And the 4 that doesn't have a variable, this is called the constant. Okay, so we're going to do some problems where we evaluate the power. So if we have 2 to the 5th power, that means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we're going to multiply 2 by itself 5 times, and you'll get 32. Now if we have negative 4 squared, so you notice how the negative is not in any parentheses? This really means negative 4 squared. So the negative will just stay there. 4 squared is 16, since 4 times 4 is 16, so this would be negative 16. Okay, next we have negative 3 to the 3rd. So this would be negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So usually I like figuring out if it's negative or positive first. So since we're multiplying a negative 3 times, so negative times negative times negative, it's going to be a negative. So if it's an odd number of times, it'll be negative. If it's an even number of times, it'll be positive, since a negative times a negative will become a positive. And then 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Okay, let's do one more. If we have 5, negative 5 to the 3rd power. Okay, so again, the negative will stay on the outside, and this will be 5 times 5 times 5, and that's 125, so the answer would be negative 125. Okay, next we're going to simplify the expression. So this is where you'll want to combine like terms. So for example, if we have 2x squared plus 3 times x plus 5x squared minus 4, the first step is to distribute here. So we're going to distribute that since the 3 is on the outside of the parentheses. So the 2x squared stayed the same, and then we have 3x plus 3 times 5x squared is 15x squared. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Now we want to combine like terms. So we have a 2x squared and a 15x squared. They have to have the exact same variable and exact same power on the variable for you to combine it. So we can't combine this with 3x even though it has an x. So this would become 17x squared, and then we have a 3x, but there's no other x in the problem, so this would just be 3x, and then we have the number -12. And this is called standard form when the power goes down. So if you look at the problem, we have x squared and then x to the first power. That's what it means when we don't have anything there. And 12 doesn't even have a variable. So this is really x to the 0 power because 0 or x to any, hold on, any number to the 0 power is 1. So notice how the power is going down from 2 to 1 to 0. Oh, oops. Okay, let's do another one. So -3 times x squared plus 2x minus 4 plus 5 times x minus 5. So again, we're first going to distribute. And for this problem, we have to distribute twice. So we have to distribute the -3, and we also have to distribute the 5. So -3 times x squared, -3x squared. -3 times 2x is -6x. -3 times -4 is +12. So make sure you're distributing the negative as well. And then 5 times x is 5x. 5 times -5 is -25. So since we want to write this in standard form, we're going to start with the x squareds. So there's only -3x squared. And then we're going to move on to the x's. So -x plus 5x, wait, -6x plus 5x is -x. And 12 minus 25 is -13. For watching. I hope this video helped you understand this section. I know it was pretty short. But again, let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment, and yeah, bye!